Hi there. As a commercial landlord or building operator, do you know where your energy is being consumed? Now, in this video, I'll show you three things. Firstly, where the bulk of your energy is being used. Secondly, what's causing your energy waste. And finally, I'll demo how better real-time tools can help you detect and resolve issues early. Now, the data may surprise you, so let's dive right in. So where is your energy being used? Ventilation, chill water plant, heat rejection, boilers, lights, elevators, and more. These are the key infrastructure areas where the majority of your energy is being consumed in your building. Now let's understand each of these. First, ventilation and air handlers. These are your biggest consumers, using up to a quarter of your building's annual energy budget. Now, bill shock and missing sustainability targets often happens because your ventilation fans are being left running overnight, motor speeds are being maxed out, and basic set points aren't being put in place. Now, getting your air handlers and your ventilation right can have a huge impact on your budgets and your sustainability targets. Next up is your chilled water plant, representing 15% of total energy use. Now, you can avoid energy drain by shutting down equipment during cooler weather and managing overcooling. Another critical area is your heat rejection systems, using 13% of your total energy use and over a third of total water usage. Now, these represent your cooling towers, your tenant condenser water systems, and the relevant condenser water pumps. Now, are your cooling towers wasting you money? Now, to find that out, the questions you need to answer include, are your pumps being left running overnight? Is maintenance missing issues? And are you stopping water leaks when they happen? Next, let's look at your heating through gas or electric boilers. Now, these on average use 18% of your building's energy, can be far higher for buildings in cooler conditions. Again, the questions you need to ask include, are your boilers being cooled to run when it's warm outside? And are your hot water pumps malfunctioning? Next, lighting and power at 14% of total energy use. Are your lights being left on in unoccupied spaces overnight or during weekends? Finally, elevators, 9% of your total energy use. Do you know if your elevators are entering low energy standby mode when not in use? Now, it's important to remember that managing the uptime of critical infrastructure, tenant satisfaction, as well as managing the continuous energy efficiency, this is no easy task for operations teams. But with the right tools, you can eliminate energy waste without compromising on equipment uptime and tenant satisfaction. So let's see how CIM's Peak platform can help you achieve this. Let's dive right into a demo. We'll start with a real-time overview of your building's health. And I'll come in and give a quick site view of this. So Peak monitors all the IoT sensors in your building, zones, and all the equipment around the clock. So across all your levels in your building and all your equipment and critical infrastructure across your building, from air handlers, boilers, chillers, elevators, exhaust fans, gas meters, and more. And what Peak does is we continuously diagnose all the issues and all the data in real time as they happen, and alerting you when there are issues or recommendations or areas to improve across your building in real time. Next, let's look at a live list of issues and opportunities Peak has identified in a real building. Now, each recommendation highlights issues like equipment not being locked out during different weather conditions, set points not being optimized, equipment overcooling, equipment left running out of hours or on the weekend, and many, many more. So having real-time diagnosis of energy waste across all your critical infrastructure means you can act very quickly. Now let's look at a real-world example of the energy saving from acting quickly. We'll go into recently action and resolve recommendations, and we'll find a recently resolved issue. And here's a real-world example in an office building. So a programming glitch in the building management system caused parts of the chilled water plant to be unable to shut down properly. And we can see the issue, just a simple programming glitch caused it to not be able to shut down properly. Now, catching this early meant they were able to save $42,000 on just this issue alone, representing up to 10% of the building's annual energy use, just for this single issue alone. So if we dive in and look at the telemetry and see what caused the glitch, well, we can see that the glitch caused a continuous draw of energy of 20 kilowatts every hour across the chill water pumps in this building. And we can see it actually occurred over the weekend. So it happened at 10 a.m. on a Saturday morning. And by being notified of this issue immediately, the team was able to act on it quickly, fix the programming glitch, and avoid a potentially disastrous outcome for both the energy budgets of the building, as well as the sustainability targets of this building. So by using real-time monitoring across your critical infrastructure, Peak ensures problems like these are caught and corrected before they impact your bottom line or your sustainability goals. Now, if you're ready to see how Peak can optimize your building's energy use and answer some of these questions for your building, please contact us for a demo today.